First thing you want to do is remove the engine cover. Unscrew the two screws at the front and the one on the right side. You can either use a 10mm socket for this or a screwdriver. Make sure to take the air pipe off and unscrew the bolt on the right side as well. Afterwards, you'll find the air box at the top of the engine cover, and you just want to remove that by undoing the two clips on it. Then just remove the air filter and replace it with a new one. Undo that process to fully replace the air filter. Now you're going to want to use a 14mm socket to unscrew the cap in the oil pan. Then leave that to drain for about 15 minutes. Now unscrew the oil filter and again let that drain for another 15 minutes. Wear gloves for this if you don't want your hands drenched in oil. Then screw in the new oil filter. Undo all the steps and finally refill your oil. Make sure to check the oil several times to ensure it's between the minimum and maximum point. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.